Hi, I'm Christina from Travels with Ted, and in today's RVing for Beginners video, I'm talking about RV holding tanks. Today I'll cover exactly what RV holding tanks are, and in the next episode of this series, I'll tell you how to clean them. RV holding tanks are exactly what they sound like. They are tanks in your RV that hold water and waste. There are three types of RV holding tanks: black water, gray water, and fresh water. Let's start with black water holding tanks. These tanks, also referred to as wastewater tanks, hold all the water, waste, and paper flushed down your RV toilet. Next up are gray water tanks. These tanks hold the water from your sinks and shower. Many larger RVs have two gray water tanks to hold water from different areas of the RV. Both black and gray water tanks must be emptied into a dump station, which is a place where RV waste can be safely disposed into a sanitary sewer system. Full hookup RV campsites include a private sewer hookup, and public dump stations can often be found at campgrounds, rest areas, and truck stops. The last type of RV holding tank is a freshwater tank. This tank holds potable water that can be used through the RV's sinks and showers. When parked at a campsite with a water hookup, campers do not need to use the freshwater tank. At these campsites, the water will flow directly from the campground's water connection into the RV's plumbing lines. If RVers will be camping in a site without a water hookup, they can connect a drinking water hose to their freshwater fill to fill the tank. Campers who are dry camping or camping in a site without a water hookup should fill their freshwater tank before their trip. To use water from the freshwater tank, campers must turn on the water pump, which pulls water from the tank into the RV. So how big are RV holding tanks? The size of holding tanks will vary greatly depending on the size of the RV. Truck campers and tiny trailers have the smallest holding tanks, while fifth wheels and Class A's have the largest ones. Freshwater holding tanks typically range from 20 to 100 gallons. Black tanks and gray water tanks typically range from 10 to 100 gallons. RVers who plan to dry camp or boondock frequently should consider the size of these holding tanks when purchasing an RV. The smaller the tanks, the less water you can carry, and the sooner you will fill up the black and gray tanks and need to drive to a dump station. Don't forget to follow us so you don't miss any of our RVing for Beginner videos. Happy camping!